Error 103 in Roblox means you are not authorized to join this game. This happens due to age restrictions. Roblox uses content maturity ratings to classify games. Games are rated for everyone 10 plus, teen 13 plus, and mature 17 plus. Roblox enforces this to comply with laws like COPPA and DSA, protecting younger users from inappropriate content. As of 2025, enhanced age verification, including mandatory ID verification for 17-plus content, has been rolled out to increase child safety. These restrictions are not bugs, but safeguards to protect minors. To fix Error 103, you need to verify your age on Roblox. First, go to Account Settings, then Privacy, and finally Birthday. Add or confirm your birthday in the form that appears. This helps Roblox determine your age group. If your account shows you are under 13, a parent or guardian will need to provide verification through an email sent by Roblox. Parents can also enable parental controls in the Family Settings section and adjust the account age to 13 or older. If you're still having trouble, contact Roblox support at roblox.com/support with your account details. For developers, ensure your games are tagged with the correct age rating to avoid confusion and help users access the right content.